We're going to talk about creating a crossover cable. First, we need to talk about the materials. You need your cable, Cat5, RJ45 terminators, a crimping tool, a cable continuity tester, wire cutters, and a jacket stripper. Remember to add 12 inches to your measurement in case there's a problem. When you strip the jacket, also be careful not to nick or cut the conductors or the wires on the inside. And remember, you can only use a crossover cable between similar devices, such as a PC to PC, a router to router. The first step is to remove 2 inches of the plastic jacket from the end of the cable. Then you spread the wires apart while holding the jacket. This ensures that the wires don't untwist inside. Make sure you arrange the wires in the correct order and hold the jacket to keep it in that order. So the order is, for one end, you have your standard connection. So this is white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, green, white, brown, and brown. For the crossover connection, you should have white, green, green, white, orange, blue, orange, white, brown, and brown. So your third step is to cut the wires evenly, about 1/2 inch from the jacket, and then make sure you keep a grip on your jacket so that you can keep your wires in the order that you've arranged them. So now it's time to insert the wires into the jack. So you gotta hold onto the jack tight and slide them in. You push them all the way to the end so you can see that they're pushed up against the very end. And make sure that your jacket goes inside of the RJ45 so that when you crimp it, it relieves the stress on the wires. Your jacket is all the way inside. The next step is to use the crimping tool. So you insert the jack with the wires and everything else, keeping it all together, into the crimping end, and you squeeze it tightly until you hear it click. And then once it's done, now you need to check your cable. So you can check it using the tester, or you can go ahead and attach it to similar devices to see if it works. Keep in mind, the more of these you make, the easier it becomes. Do not kink or bend the cable really sharp like a hose you're trying to stop. Don't do that. If your cable doesn't work, just cut it off. Do not use excessive force when pulling these cables through walls, floors, or ceilings. Your maximum length of a crossover cable is 100 meters or 328 feet. So keep that in mind, that any length over that, you'll likely lose some data. And that is my presentation on creating a crossover cable.